Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to be checking out 3 different cat eye polishes from the Madam Glam Super Cat Eye Bundle, which is a total of 6, but I'm going to check out 3 of them. So thanks to Madam Glam for being so kind again and sending me 3 of these cat eye gels from their Super Cat Eye Bundle. Now, I have 3 different colors, and just from the looks of them, the sparkle and shine alone, look at those colors. And we're about to magnify that, okay? So I'm starting off with my nails already done in poly gel. I went ahead and then I went in with the Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe base coat, and then went in with the Madam Glam Perfect Black. I chose black as my base because I want to go ahead and see what these cat eye gels look like over this black. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint these, and I'm only doing 1 coat of the black, and as you can see how opaque this polish is, 1 coat is really all I needed as a base. Okay, so after that I went ahead and cured these for 60 seconds. Now for my magnets, I actually purchased these specifically for this set. I have never tried cat eye nails, and I wanted to get a variety of magnets. So let's go ahead and go on with the first color here, which is Sapphire Love. This color is so beautiful. Does it not remind you of sapphires? Hence the name, Sapphire Love. Okay, so as you can see with these polishes, they are on top of this black, they look very opaque. There's plenty of shimmer. There's no, big giant breaks in this shimmer or anything like that. The shimmer covers the entire nail, everything that's polished. Okay, so what it does say is with the formula, it doesn't require a color base, so that's good to know. And you can apply over a base coat, a rubber base, a builder gel, or a poly gel. Okay, so and with this, there goes my magnet. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I've always wanted to do this. I mean, I could play around with this magnet all day because look at the different shapes here. So there's magnetic particles embedded in the gel, okay? So that's why they're moving, they're shifting around when you put a magnet to it, and they just move around. You move around the magnet and the magnetic particles move around with it. That is just wow. Is so beautiful. So I decided to go in with 2 coats. Not that that's necessary whatsoever. I just decided, okay, you know what happens when you use 2 coats? Now, as you can see, it evenly covered up the previous design, so that tells you how many particles are in this cat eye gel. It's a lot because it covered it up. And now I go in with the magnet again. Oh my goodness, whoa. So if I want to make layers to this, I could go in with the first layer, cure it, and then go in with another layer and cure it again. Now, just so you know, after that first layer, I did cure it for 60 seconds, and just to get it set, and then I go in. Now, it does say, per the Madam Glam website, it says to cure for 2 minutes by UV lamp, 30 seconds by LED. Okay. Wow. This is so, look at this. It's so beautiful. And the great thing is with this formula, it's just like all their other formulas. It's vegan, cruelty free. It's a 21 free formula and palm oil free. So same thing as the other gel polishes. It's the same thing with these cat eye gels. Next color I'm going in with is the Ruby Madness. Oh, this is beautiful as well. And so it's plenty of shimmer in it, just like the first one I tried. That's what it looks like without the magnet. And now with the magnet, you see I'm trying a different magnet this time because I want to see what I can do. I'm just playing around right now. I am not a pro, as I always say. I am playing around. I love some nails. This is self-care for me. This is fun. This is just me being creative. And oh my goodness, now that I have these cat eye gels, and now I know what the hype is about. So I did go ahead and cure that first level, that first layer for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the second layer, and I'm playing around a bit more. What I was trying to do is see if I can get the first layer to shine through, kind of, and then I have the second layer to shine through as well. So I'm going to see what I can do here, but what I did here is I was able to let that ruby color like shine through a little bit of the black, and then of course the shimmer, shifting that all around. The next color we're going to try is this pretty Citrine Obsession. Okay, so same thing with this color. Wow, so now I can see why you don't necessarily need to have a color polish on the first layer, because it really is opaque. It really covers the nail. You are going to get all of those magnetic particles over the entire nail with one coat. So I had to try this. This reminds me of the Flash, y'all. Look at that. And it actually put a picture of a Flash on my nail. This is crazy, y'all. I don't know. I'm just trying a different magnet with each one because, like I said, I'm just having fun here. This is just fun. So I did go ahead and cure that first layer. And now I'm going to go in with the second. I'm going to use the same magnet just to see what happens. Look at that. Just holding it over, and that's what happens. It looks like the longer I hold the magnet, the more defined the bolt shows up. Look at that. Okay, so this one I was like, okay, what am I going to do for my ring finger? I think I'm going to go ahead and use all three just to go ahead and coordinate the entire nail. So I'm going with all three polishes. Now this time around I'm not going to go in with two different layers, because as you can see, yeah, I'm putting on the layer, each polish pretty thick. Yeah, even with that ruby one, I put in so much it dripped into the sapphire. So I did go ahead and turn my nail upside down to just level things out. I wanted to also see how this is with self-leveling, and it's just like all the other polishes I've tried with Madam Glam. The self-leveling abilities are wonderful. So that was awesome to see. And so now I'm playing around with this other magnet. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. At first I was like, is something happening? Is there a shift of the particles? And yes, there is. You really gotta look, but it does. And so because this nail is pretty thick with just the one layer with those three colors, I just kept playing at it, just trying to make sure everything blends in together and levels out. And also with that little drip of the ruby, I wanted to blend that in pretty good into the sapphire so it doesn't look like I made the mistake I made. Yes, y'all, I really thought I was doing something. So anyway, look at that. And then for the pinky, I'm gonna go in with that sapphire again. We started with sapphire. Let's go ahead and end with sapphire. Oh, this color is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let me know down below, have you tried any cat eye gels? Have you been curious about them like I have been? I really have. I've been watching them all over these YouTube streets, and I'm like, oh my goodness, does that really happen? And yes, as you can see, these particles, these magnetic particles really do shift. And as you can see, I've tried multiple different types of magnets, and these magnetic particles are moving around with every single one. So what I love about that is, you know, they all work. They don't work any different from the first or the last one I tried. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Just seeing how these shine and shift all over my nail is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all, if you haven't tried Madam Glam, go ahead and check out my discount code, which I always have listed in the description box. Go ahead, check them out. Even this cuticle balm is from Madam Glam as well. It's not just gel polishes. There's all kinds of things. There's tools, there's lamps, there's polishes, everything. There's brushes, everything you think of. So go ahead and click on my link, check it out. There's a sale going on right now. It's the St. Patrick's Day sale. I mean, just check out Madam Glam. Oh, these are so beautiful. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know, have you tried cat eye gels before or not? And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.